सर तुमची मिटींग झाली, कितें जालें डिस्कशन?
What was the main point discussed in this meeting today?
So the main point was basically now was the demolition of the El Dorado building. That is the main. That has been that is part of the unsafe structures that is happening. That's in Panjim. So the people had approached the commissioner for alternative space, which cannot be given. Unfortunately, cannot be given. That building also has been dilapidated for quite a number of years now, threatening the safety of those occupants itself and the people that are passing by. And there are some shopkeepers in the middle lane also, between the market and the building also, that will be threatened. So we are asking them to vacate also. That is a major agenda. That and dengue cases in certain places. So that we've given health department our full cooperation. If they need anything, they can always tell us. Those are the main two agendas.
आणि एक इश्यू आसलो तो म्हटल्यार फॉन्टेनीजान तो टुरिस्ट नॉसन क्रिएट करता तेजेर.
No, so basically what we're doing is, at least from Monday we will post one inspector there permanently with some workers and everything. We'll check the situation first. If it is working and everything, we will continue. If it is not, then we will check and see what else we can do.
ओके. आणि एक म्हटल्यार तो दयानंद बांदोडकराचेर ग्राउंडार उदक भरता.
That again, there is a level. See, now that is in the sports department. Basically, there is one outlet in the corner. So now, often CCP goes and we clear that part. But we'll have to sit with sports department and find some permanent solution to that problem. So, I think there's a lot of bleeding cases over there. It will affect the colony people and everyone around. Only those. Okay. Thank you.